These top 4 fruits stops high creatinine naturally. Most people think that if creatinine levels start rising, there's nothing you can do except rely on medication. But that's not entirely true, and this misunderstanding causes many adults over 50 to overlook simple foods that may actually support kidney health. The truth is, your kidneys work like powerful filters, and the foods you eat every day can either make their job harder or help them work more smoothly. Yet most people are never taught which everyday fruits may quietly support this process. In this video, we'll look at 4 fruits that research has linked to better kidney support and healthier creatinine balance. Every point shared here is fact-checked and based on established health research. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final fruit is the one doctors worry about the most when people misunderstand how it affects their kidneys. I'll also share one simple protective habit near the end that many kidney specialists recommend to help reduce strain on these hardworking organs. Number 1. Cranberries. Have you ever wondered if something as small as a handful of fruit could quietly help your kidneys, or if skipping it might be making things harder for them? Many people worry about high creatinine levels, but few realize that one simple fruit sitting in the grocery store might actually support the body in ways most people never notice. Let me ask you something. Imagine this scenario. It's a typical morning. You wake up, maybe your joints feel a little stiff, you make your breakfast, and you take a look at the lab results your doctor mentioned last week. Creatinine numbers slightly higher than before. Not alarming yet, but not where you want them either. So you start wondering, is there something simple I can do every day that actually helps? That's where cranberries quietly enter the conversation. Now, most people think of cranberries only during holidays or maybe in juice form. But the truth is, these small red berries carry powerful compounds that support the kidneys and urinary system in ways many people overlook. Here's the surprising part. Cranberries contain natural substances called proanthocyanidins. That's a big word, but the idea is simple. These compounds help prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. Why does that matter? Because infections and inflammation in the system can make the kidneys work much harder than they should. Think of cranberries as a kind of natural cleanup crew. When your urinary system stays clearer and healthier, your kidneys don't have to struggle as much to filter waste from your blood. And when the kidneys work more efficiently, waste products like creatinine are processed more smoothly. But here's another interesting detail many people don't know. Cranberries are also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect cells, including kidney cells, from oxidative stress. As we age, this kind of stress builds up quietly in the body. Over time, it can affect how organs function. So when you eat cranberries regularly, fresh, dried in moderation, or even unsweetened juice, you're giving your body tiny protective tools that help reduce that stress. Let's pause for a moment. If you're over 50, your kidneys have already spent decades filtering your blood every single day. Millions of tiny filtering units inside them have been working non-stop since you were young. Isn't it amazing they keep going? But like any hard-working system, they benefit from support. Now here's the gentle warning most people don't hear often enough. When small issues like inflammation, poor hydration, or recurring urinary infections go ignored, the kidneys slowly become less efficient. And that's when markers like creatinine begin creeping upward over time. The tricky part is that you usually don't feel it happening. That's why simple habits, like including kidney-friendly foods, can make a meaningful difference before problems grow bigger. Cranberries aren't a miracle cure, of course. But they are one of those quiet helpers that fit easily into daily life. Maybe you add a small handful to oatmeal in the morning. Maybe you toss a few into a salad at lunch. Or maybe you choose a small glass of unsweetened cranberry juice a few times a week. Little steps like this may seem small in the moment, But your body notices. Your kidneys notice. And over months and years, these small supportive choices can help your body maintain better balance. So if you've been wondering whether simple foods can truly support your kidney health, cranberries are a wonderful place to start. Sometimes the most powerful changes don't come from complicated treatments. They come from small, consistent choices, made one day at a time. Number 2. Apples. Have you ever wondered if one simple fruit you've seen your entire life could quietly help your kidneys work better? What if something as ordinary as an apple could support your body in ways most people never realize, especially if your creatinine levels have started creeping up? Let me paint a picture that might feel familiar. It's late afternoon. Maybe you're sitting at the kitchen table or relaxing in the living room. You feel a little tired, so you reach for something quick, maybe a cookie, chips, or something sweet. It satisfies the craving for a moment, but an hour later, you feel sluggish again. Now imagine a different choice sitting on the counter, a crisp apple. It seems simple, almost too simple to matter. But your body reacts to that choice in a very different way. Here's something many people don't realize. Apples contain a special type of fiber called pectin. This fiber plays an important role in how your body handles waste and toxins, things your kidneys usually have to filter out. And this is where it gets interesting. Pectin helps bind certain waste products inside the digestive system before they ever reach the kidneys. In other words, some of the workload your kidneys normally deal with gets handled earlier in the process. Think of it like this. Imagine your kidneys as hard-working cleaners in a busy building. If fewer messes are reaching them in the first place, their job becomes easier. Over time, that lighter workload can support healthier kidney function and help manage waste products like creatinine. But that's not the only reason apples stand out. Apples are also packed with antioxidants, natural compounds that protect the body's cells from damage. As we age, our bodies deal with more inflammation and oxidative stress. Unfortunately, the kidneys are especially sensitive to that kind of stress. So when you regularly eat antioxidant-rich foods like apples, you're essentially giving your body protective tools that help calm inflammation and support delicate tissues, including those in your kidneys. Now here's a surprising little-known fact. The skin of the apple holds many of these powerful compounds. That means when you wash the apple and eat it whole, you're getting the full benefit nature designed. Simple, affordable, accessible. But let's talk honestly for a moment. If rising creatinine levels are ignored, the kidneys can slowly become less efficient over time. And the challenging part? Kidney strain often develops quietly. Many people feel completely normal while changes are happening internally. That's why everyday choices matter more than most people think. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. You don't have to follow complicated routines. Sometimes the best step is the smallest one. Replacing one processed snack with a fresh apple. Adding sliced apples to your breakfast oatmeal. Tossing them into a simple salad for a little sweetness and crunch. These little shifts send a powerful message to your body. Support is coming. And the beautiful thing is, apples work gently with your body. They help regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and reduce strain on organs that have been working hard for decades. Let me ask you something important. If something as simple as eating an apple a few times a week could support your kidneys, improve digestion, and help your body manage waste more efficiently, wouldn't that be worth trying? You don't need perfection. Your body doesn't ask for perfection. It responds to consistency. One apple today, another later this week. Small choices, repeated over time. Number 3. Guava. Have you ever walked past a guava tree or seen guavas at the market and thought, it's just a simple fruit? What if that small green fruit could quietly support your kidneys in ways most people never realize, especially if your creatinine levels are higher than they should be? Let's think about a moment many people over 50 experience. You visit your doctor for a routine checkup. Everything seems fine. Then the lab results come back, and the doctor casually mentions that your creatinine is a little elevated. Nothing alarming yet, but it plants a small seed of worry in your mind. You go home wondering, is there something simple I can do every day to help my kidneys? That's where guava becomes surprisingly important. Now here's something many people don't know. Guava is one of the richest fruits in vitamin C, often containing far more than oranges. But that's not even the most interesting part. Guava is also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and natural compounds that support how your body manages waste products in the blood. Let's break that down in a very simple way. Your kidneys act like incredibly advanced filters. Every minute of the day, they clean your blood, removing toxins, balancing fluids, and helping eliminate waste like creatinine. But as we age, these filters can become less efficient if the body is dealing with too much inflammation, high blood sugar, or oxidative stress. This is where guava helps. The antioxidants in guava help reduce inflammation in the body. Think of inflammation as tiny internal fires that slowly stress your organs over time. When those fires calm down, your kidneys can focus on their job without extra pressure. And the fiber in guava, that plays another clever role. Fiber supports digestion and helps the body remove certain waste products through the digestive system instead of sending everything to the kidneys. It's like giving your body an additional pathway for clearing out unwanted substances. Less strain on the kidneys means they can work more efficiently. Now let me share a surprising little-known fact. Guava can also help stabilize blood sugar levels. This matters more than many people realize because high blood sugar is one of the biggest hidden stresses on the kidneys over time. When blood sugar spikes repeatedly, the kidneys have to filter extra glucose from the blood. Over years, that extra workload can damage the tiny filtering units inside them. But foods rich in fiber, like guava, slow down how quickly sugar enters the bloodstream. That means fewer spikes and less pressure on the kidneys. Now imagine a simple everyday scene. You're preparing a light afternoon snack. Instead of reaching for something processed, you slice up a fresh guava. Maybe you sprinkle a tiny bit of lime or just enjoy it as it is. Crunchy, slightly sweet, refreshing. Your body doesn't just taste it, it uses it. Those nutrients begin working quietly behind the scenes, supporting digestion, calming inflammation, and helping maintain balance inside your bloodstream. But here's the gentle truth many people don't hear often enough. When kidney health is ignored for years, especially with poor diet, dehydration, or uncontrolled blood sugar, creatinine levels can slowly rise. And the frustrating part? The kidneys rarely complain until the problem becomes serious. That's why simple preventive habits matter so much. You don't have to chase expensive supplements or complicated diets. Sometimes the most powerful support comes from foods that nature has provided all along. Guava is one of those gifts. It's affordable, easy to add to your routine, and packed with nutrients that help your body stay balanced. So if you see guava at the market next time, pause for a moment. That small fruit isn't just food. It's a simple way to support organs that have been working faithfully for you every single day of your life. And sometimes, caring for your kidneys doesn't start with dramatic changes. It starts with one thoughtful choice, like enjoying a guava and knowing you're doing something good for your body today. Number 4. Blueberries. Have you ever wondered if a small handful of berries could quietly support your kidneys, or if skipping them means missing out on something your body really needs? It might sound surprising, But one of the most powerful fruits for your health is often one of the smallest. Let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in your kitchen looking for a snack and thought, what can I eat that's actually good for me? Maybe it's mid-afternoon. You feel a little tired. You open the fridge and see something sweet, something processed, and maybe a small container of blueberries sitting there. Most people don't realize that those tiny berries are packed with compounds that help protect the body at a very deep level. Here's the surprising part. Blueberries are one of the richest sources of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the natural pigments that give blueberries their deep blue color. But they don't just add color, they act like protective shields for your cells. And your kidneys, believe it or not, need that protection more than most organs. Your kidneys work non-stop, filtering waste from your blood every minute of the day. Over time, especially after the age of 50, the body experiences more oxidative stress. Think of it like rust slowly forming inside the body's systems. This stress can make it harder for the kidneys to filter waste products like creatinine efficiently. This is where blueberries help in a simple but powerful way. The antioxidants in blueberries help neutralize harmful molecules before they damage cells. In other words, they help calm that internal wear and tear happening in the body. When there's less oxidative stress, the kidneys can function more smoothly. And there's another benefit many people overlook. Blueberries are naturally low in sodium and relatively low in potassium compared to many other fruits, which makes them a gentle choice for people trying to protect their kidney health. Imagine something simple: adding a small handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. It takes seconds, but those nutrients immediately start working in your body, supporting blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and helping your kidneys do their job with less strain. Now, here's the gentle warning. When the body doesn't get enough protective nutrients from whole foods, oxidative stress and inflammation can slowly build up over the years. This silent pressure can affect how well organs, including the kidneys, do their work. And the tricky part? Most people don't feel anything until the imbalance has already been there for a long time. That's why small habits matter so much. Adding blueberries to your diet isn't about perfection or dramatic change. It's about giving your body steady support. A handful here, another later in the week. Small choices that quietly add up. So the next time you see blueberries at the store or in your refrigerator, remember this: those little berries carry powerful protection inside them. Sometimes the biggest support for your health comes in the smallest package. And one handful today could be a simple step toward stronger, happier kidneys tomorrow. Summary. Let's quickly recap. We looked at 4 fruits that may help support kidney health and manage creatinine levels: cranberries, apples, guava, and blueberries. Each of these fruits provides helpful nutrients like antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can make the kidney's job a little easier. The key message is simple. Small daily choices matter. Adding more natural, whole fruits to your routine can gently support your body and help your kidneys keep doing their important work. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these fruits do you already eat the most? If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips, and check out the next video where we discuss common foods that may quietly raise creatinine levels.